Hi, I'm Tasmin. I'm gonna show you my date night makeup look. So I start with the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. And I'm gonna get some of that on my hand. And just kind of put it all over my face. So now my skin is ready for the Studio Radiance. I'm gonna shake the bottle. And I like to put a little bit on the top of my hand so that when I take my 170 brush, which I love, I just can dab it on right there. And I apply it in circular motions. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the eyebrow styler in Lingering. So I first brush my eyebrows. And then I fill them in. And then I'm gonna put on this blush. I have two of them that I love. This is the Glow Play blush in So Natural. So I'm just taking some on my fingers and I'm gonna put it all over the top of my cheekbones, and I love a little bit on the top of my nose. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this one in the color Grand. This is just gonna add a little pop of color. And just put it right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some mascara. This is the In Extreme Dimension in 3D Black. Okay, and now I'm gonna put on some lipstick, the Powder Kiss in A Little Tamed.
Hey.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
What's all this other stuff here? Marking with?
I did a little date night makeup. You like it?
Yeah, you look great.
Okay. Should we go?
Yeah. Let's go.